Okay, at this point we're going to plug it in and we're going to load up Arduino. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into here. When it plugs in, there should be like a little red light that comes on, just to let you know that that is connected. If you've already loaded the infrared library, you should now be able to go down to File, Examples, down at the bottom, IR Remote, and IR Rec V Demo is what we're going to want to do. So we'll open up that one. When it launches, it should look something like this. Receive pin 11, void setup, and it's going to read the infrared sensor. Okay. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the receive pin from pin 11 to pin 2. That's what, remember how we connected it to pin 2? We're going to make sure we change it to match what we've actually got on the Arduino over here. So we're going to receive pin number 2. We can then verify the sketch, make sure it gets compiled. It all looks good, there's no error messages. And so now we're going to load that onto the Arduino. So it's going to say uploading, it's going to say a little wait dial. Okay, it says it's done uploading. You can see nothing really is happening over here, but there's something happening behind the scenes. If we go to the serial monitor here, this is where it shows all the information that the Arduino is receiving. And if I then take any remote control at all, and if I begin to press a button, it will start to show up over here, or give me a little 6-digit code. So if I press a different button, it'll give me another code. So each one of these buttons has a unique code. If I hold it down, you can see it all goes to FFFFF. That just means repeat signal. So if I look through this remote control, I can start to make a note of each of my buttons. So if I press the power one again, I should expect it to say FFA25D. Sure enough, it does. So what's happening here is that each time I press a button, you see that infrared light lights up and it sends a message. And that message that it's sending is a little code, a unique code for the button. And we can then tell the Arduino to respond to different codes in different ways. We can ask it to do different things, whether it gets this button being pressed or if it gets this button being pressed. And once we've got all the once we know these codes, we can then use each one of those buttons. It doesn't matter what remote we use. Each remote will produce different codes, and we can get each remote to do different things.